All right, the drink we're about to make is called Crocodile. And let's go ahead and put our ice in a glass here. And measure out 1 shot of melon liqueur for that crocodile green color. And half a shot of Bacardi Limon. And next we'll fill the rest of the way with some lemon lime soda. There we go. And we're just going to mix this up real well. We got a nice crocodile green color. Get everything blended. You don't want to shake this, obviously, with the carbonation in the soda. You're going to have crocodile all over you. And let's go ahead and get our glass here. And we'll dump the crocodile into the glass. And I'm going to dedicate this drink to the crocodile hunter and give a nice little crikey, bottoms up.